welcome back to a new video. And on this one we are going to talk about the trending strategy. Yeah, the trend strategy, which is also the trending strategy in town now. So if you don't know about the strategy already, you're gonna find all you will need in this video description. And also like and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Of course, this is where we talk about Nasdaq indices, Forex trading, synthetic indices, and a lot more on this channel. These are all where you're going to find flipping small accounts to huge ones. These are 10 years. So if you are new, those are all the kind of stuff you are going to get. So make sure you want to join the channels and groups we have in the video description. So with all that being said, let's dive straight into the video. So as you can see there on the screen, these are Forex charts, not the usual volatilities and boom and crashes you usually see on my screen. That's because I want to show you guys the proper way you can use the recent trend strategy to actually grow accounts on the Forex market. So just recently I was testing out the trend strategy on the Forex market, which a lot of people on this channel asked me to do, and also which some already tried and said it was working. It's also effective there. So but I decided to give it a try too as well, and of course it was good enough, but not enough impression to me. And that is why I'm making this video today, to show you guys the proper and full setup that you should use when applying or portraying this strategy on your own account trading the Forex market, because it's different from the synthetic indices market. So what I'm gonna do here now is I'm going to blend the our previous volatility 75 strategy and also add it with the recent trend strategy. We're going to use both strategies to attack the market because we need multiple confirmations. Testing it out recently, I noticed we're going to need multiple confirmations. Like I've said, the chart movement on Forex is a lot different from the synthetic indices due to a lot of reasons. So that's the major reason we have to blend both of the powerful strategies we have to see much more profit possibilities. I'm going to also show you guys how I tested it so far. I'm going to put up maybe a video, or after the voiceover you guys are going to see the results. It's good too, but I'm not impressed, so I'm going to add both strategies together for this for we to trade the Forex market on the trend strategy. So I'm blending both strategies, which I'm just quickly gonna do now, since we already know how those strategies work. If you don't, you're going to find links on the video description where you get the full setups of both strategies. So imagine what is gonna happen when we try to blend both strategies to attack the Forex pairs. So I'm not going to waste too much of your time. Let me just quickly add the indicators that's going to be needed and show you guys few stuff that you're going to note when trading with the strategy. So stay not the usual MT5 that we use in trading synthetic indices. So on the MT4 platform, you already see we have moving average, two moving averages on the main chart. These are the settings for the first one, period 5 and period 35. Different colors, red and blue. So I'm gonna delete these RSI and stochastic oscillator of the V75 strategy quickly and show you guys how to add multiple indicators on your chart, because we're going to add two indicators actually on different windows. So to do that, it's pretty much easy. You're going to tap on this, the main chart, and tap on it once, and you want to add the stochastic oscillator, which we have from the previous strategy. You can see you're going to tap on the levels, 80 sell, 20 buy, blah blah blah, just like that. You click on done. Again, you tap on this one because we want to still add the relative strength index on this indicator windows one. You're still going to tap on that F button there, you tap on it once, and there you go. RSI, period 5, no levels, white color because I'm using the black background. If you're using the black background, make the color white, and then you click done. There we have it. This is our effective V75 strategy. So now to add the second strategy, we have to add that on the separate windows. So it's going to be our indicator windows 2. So what you're going to do is, if you tap on this, is going to add the strategy in the same indicator windows 1, which we don't want. So you're going to tap on this one instead, the one on the main charts. That's the one that's going to create a new windows for you. So what we're going to do, we're going to tap on it, and the strategy, I think we need the moving averages first. Okay, no, not the moving averages first. Actually, we have to add the RSI first. So there we go. The same, but we're going to make this color black, and the levels we are going to add 2. First one is 80, 20, this is a sell, this is a buy, and you say done. So you can see now we have our second what is it called, indicator windows 2 down there, and then we'll go again. Now we're going to tap on this because we just want to add more indicators on the second window, right? Pretty much easy. You tap on it again, and then you add the first moving average, which is going to be 50 different colors, like I explained in the setup video. So if you already know the settings, it's pretty much easy, you just do it. I'm just re-explaining myself because of new people probably watching the old setup for the first time. So you make the period 50, apply to weighted close, color different from your background. Make mine, say, put this color there, and then you click done. Now for the second one, same moving average again, you make the period this time 40, just 10 points difference. Change the color to a different one, blue again, and this time we make the color the periods 30, change the color again, it's a white this time, and then you click on done. So that's pretty much all. This is MT4. I don't really like the MT4 platform because I don't know, it's not going to allow me readjust these windows. It's making the candlesticks and the moving averages up on the main chart so tiny, so it's pretty much difficult for me to see the full chart. But if you have PC, you can also apply the same settings on PC. It's going to work pretty much the same. When you've done that, all um, entry confirmations and exit remains the same, but I'm going to explain that again for new members on the channel, and just also to clarify the whole process of trading the trend strategy and the VIX 75 strategy on the forex market. Alright guys, so now that we have both strategies on our chart, zoom levels remain 1. You zoom out completely and go once, yeah, for whatever pair you have on your chart. 5 or 15 minutes time frame. Remember, the 15 minutes if you want to hold long, 5 minutes is for short trades. So now we are going to have actually we are going to have 1, 2 and 3 confirmations upon entry and exit levels. So you're going to make sure these 3 confirmations are met, or the conditions are met rather, before you can take any positions. Just using the trend strategy, at this level you're going to want to sell. On this level you're going to place a sell for this profit possibility, but if it doesn't go above 80 on the stochastic oscillator chart, don't place a sell. I made this because of on the forex market is a bit complicated than the synthetic indices, so you want more formula, more indicators to go into the market with. You don't want any room for error. News and a lot of stuff can affect the market, so you don't want to be trapped. So you're going to go in with as much powerful strategies that you have to attack this market. So that's what I've done here. We've blended the most incredible strategies so far on these channels together just to trade the forex market. And then, as you can see, pretty much self-explanatory as usual. You are going to wait in situations like this. Okay, the 15 minutes isn't looking good. Let me try the 5 minutes. Okay, the 5 minutes looks good for a buy. You can see the moving averages on our RSI chart indicator windows 2 is below 20, facing up for a buy. As you can see, this RSI on the stochastic chart windows 1 is close to 20 level, but it's not under, and it's almost touch, so we can just wait and be patient a bit, but we can count that as well. And you can see the crossing here, so obviously this is going to buy shots on the 5-minute time frame. So as we already know, indicator trading will cover the most crucial parts of price action. So most of the time, if you're not a professional, you can just solely trade confidently on indicators and you are going to make money as well. But I would advise you to get a little bit of price action knowledge, but just in case you don't have any, you're just gonna survive. You're going to survive the market with just indicators trading with the old confirmations being met. Because if you're studying trends, chart patterns, the moving averages is going to help you to detect trend, support and resistance, candlestick reactions. It's gonna help you. The oscillators is going to help you on that, which are the RSI and the stochastic indicator, and the moving averages on the indicators windows 2 as well is for trend. So but anyways, pretty much all being said on this video, so just make sure those 3 conditions are being met before you go in for multiple confirmations. As you have seen the video I played testing out the strategy, back testing with just the trend strategy, you can see it effective as well, but I'm not impressed at all. I really want more out of it, so I decided to add one of my other strategy. So just make sure you blend all these together and you're going to see good results. So I'll wait your testimonials, whether they're questions or complaints, send them to my DM and I'm going to respond to all of them. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Of course, if you love my strategies, make sure you like and subscribe. Check out more videos on this channel and see what I do, and make sure to also join our group. VIP2 is working, which I'll just put up some screenshot now on the screen so you can see what we do there, and also on the free group. So that's it guys, I'll see you all in the next video.